dear students. Here Kamaldeep Kaur in front of you to discuss the topic more on Windows 7 grade 7.
More on Windows 7. Windows Explorer is a program that is used for viewing the files and folders in sequence order. It is used to manage, search the various applications, files, and folders. Steps to open Windows Explorer. Click on Start button, All Programs, Accessories, Windows Explorer. The other way to open Windows Explorer is click on the Start button, Open Windows Explorer. Windows Explorer is divided into two parts or panes, the left pane and the right pane. The left pane displays disk drives and folders, whereas the right pane displays the contents of the folder or drive that is selected on the left pane. Folders are like containers that we used in our home, which are used for keeping and organizing the files. Files store a set of information under a name. For example, MS Word, PowerPoint, Paint. Different views of files and folders in Windows Explorer. We can see different views from the View menu or by right-clicking on the empty area of left pane. First, extra large icon. This displays files and folders as extra large sized icons. Large icons, which displays files and folders icons as large sized. Medium icons, which displays files and folders as medium sized icons. Small icons displays files and folders as small sized. List displays files and folders by small icons. It is useful when we want to see files from the folder. Details. This provides the detailed information including name, type, size, and date. To open files and folders, first select the folder, right click, click the open option. The folder or file will open. creating new file or folder. Select the folder from the left pane. Click New Folder option from the menu control bar, or right click on the empty area and click New Folder. A new folder will be created. Similarly, we can create a new file of Word, Excel or PowerPoint. If we want to change the name, double-click on the folder, type a new name and press Enter. To rename file or folder, right-click on the file or folder that you want to rename. Click on the Rename option. Type a new name for the file or folder. Next, to copy the file or folder, click on the file or folder to be copied. Right-click, click on the copy. We can also use Ctrl C for copying the file or folder. Similarly, we can cut or move the file or folder. Then go on the place where you want to paste the file or folder. Right click and click on the paste option. To view the properties of files or folders, click on the file that you want to see the properties. Right click and click on the properties option. The properties dialog box will appear. Now we can check out the properties of file or folder. To create the shortcut on desktop, select the file or folder, right click on the selected file, click the Send to option, select the desktop, and the shortcut will be created on the desktop. Next, grouping files and folders. Group by option is used to organize files and folders by breaking into different sections depending on the name, date, modified, type or size. From the name, it organizes the files and folders in alphabetical order by their name. By date, it organizes files and folders according to their modification date. In type, it organizes files and folders according to their file type. To get the on-screen keyboard, click on Start button, All Programs, Accessories, Ease of Access, On-Screen Keyboard. on-screen keyboard appears. Now we can type using the mouse or other pointing device by just clicking the required key. Next, organizing files and folders on a tablet. To perform various operations on a file or folder, we can use different options like cut, copy, rename, delete, select all, shortcut, properties. Changing the views of files and folders in tablet. Click on the ES File Explorer. Click on Settings. Click on View, and then we can choose Icons, List, Details. Next, sorting files and folders. In the similar way as we do in computer, we can sort our files and folders by name, type, size, date, and we can sort them by ascending or descending order. Next, to burn the CD, that is, the process of copying the files from computer to CD or DVD. First, insert CD in CD-ROM drive and double-click the Nero launcher. It is a software to burn the CD. Now, click on the Nero Express option. Click Data, Data CD option. Click Add Files. Click Next. Click Burn button to write the files in the CD.
Having any queries, you can message me on my WhatsApp number. Thank you and have a great day.